How many solutions can a linear system of equations have? There are three possible outcomes: one solution, no solution, an infinite number of solutions. Let's illustrate this graphically. First, we'll take a look at a case with one solution. Say you have the following system of equations. Minus 2x plus y equals 4, and x minus y equals minus 3. Start by solving the equations for the variable y. You can use the change sides, change sign rule. Equation 1 becomes y equals 2x plus 4. Equation 2 becomes y equals x plus 3. You draw the graphs in a coordinate system. Equation 1 will look like this, and equation 2 like this. Notice that the graphs intersect at one point, A. Since the graphs are straight lines that are not parallel, they will only intersect at this single point. That means there is only one solution to this system of equations. This point is where x equals minus 1 and y equals 2. You have now found the solution to this system of equations, which is x comma y equals minus 1 comma 2. Sometimes there are no solutions to a system of equations. This happens when the slope m is equal and the y-intercept b is different. Let's look at an example. Equation 1 is minus 2x plus y equals 1. Equation 2 is minus 2x plus y equals 2. First, start by solving for the variable y in both equations. You can do this using the change sides, change sign rule. Equation 1 becomes y equals 2x plus 1, and equation 2 becomes y equals 2x plus 2. The equations can be drawn in a coordinate system like this. Notice that the graphs are parallel. This is because the graphs have the same slope, m, which is 2, and different y-intercepts, b, which are 1 and 2. Since these graphs have the same slope m but different y-intercepts, b, the two graphs will never intersect. That means there are no solutions to this system of equations. Now let's look at one final example. This is a system with an infinite number of solutions. This happens when the slope m is equal and the y-intercept b is equal. Equation 1 is minus 2x plus y equals minus 1. Equation 2 is minus 4x plus 2y equals minus 2. Start by solving for the variable y. Use the change sides, change sign rule. Equation 1 can be written as y equals 2x minus 1, and equation 2 as 2y equals 4x minus 2. In equation 2, 2 is a common factor, so you divide by 2 on both sides of the equal sign. This gives you y equals 2x minus 1. The equations can be drawn in a coordinate system like this. Notice that their graphs are identical and on top of each other. They have the same slope m, which is 2, and they have the same y-intercept b, which is minus 1. When two graphs overlap like this, they actually intersect at all points on their graphs. Recall that a graph contains an infinite number of points. That is why there are an infinite number of solutions. There are three possible outcomes for the number of solutions to a linear system of equations: one solution, no solution, an infinite number of solutions.